Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at a powerful all-in-one cooking machine designed to make indoor grilling easier, faster, and far more precise. The Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill, 2nd generation. If you want true grill marks, crispy air-fried results, and restaurant-level cooking accuracy all in one device, this model definitely stands out. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how premium and solid the build feels. The black and silver finish makes it look modern, but the real magic is what happens inside. This grill uses Ninja's Smart Cook system, combining high-heat cyclonic grilling with temperature-controlled airflow to give you real char-grill flavor without smoke filling your kitchen. The Smart Thermometer is the star feature. You can cook protein exactly the way you like, rare, medium, well done, without guessing. Just insert the probe, select your preferred doneness, and the grill handles everything automatically. It's incredibly accurate and perfect for steak, chicken, salmon, and more. With 6 functions: grill, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, this unit replaces multiple appliances. You can crisp fries, bake cookies, roast vegetables, broil seafood, or dehydrate snacks all in one compact device. It heats quickly, cooks evenly, and produces results that actually taste like outdoor grilling thanks to its high-temperature searing technology. The large XL capacity means you can cook for the whole family. It fits multiple steaks, several chicken breasts, or a full meal in one go. And since it's the 2nd generation, airflow, heat distribution, and control precision are noticeably better than earlier models, making cooking smoother and more consistent. Cleanup is straightforward because the grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe. The internal surfaces are designed to reduce sticking, making post-meal cleanup fast and easy. If you're looking for a countertop appliance that can truly grill indoors, air fry with crisp results, and cook meals with professional accuracy, the Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL is a fantastic option. If you want to grab one, the Amazon link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Gadgetverse reviews.